Greetings, class. Welcome to Nursing 367. My name is Jill Parsons, and I will be your course professor. I wanted to take just a little bit of your time to talk to you about the course. Specifically, let's look at the syllabus as well as the calendar. Now, this is a writing intensive course, so across this course, you'll have the opportunity to explore evidence-based approaches to frequently encountered clinical questions, and more specifically, the clinical problem or research question that you identified in Nursing 366. Please do take some time to review the aggregate outcomes, which are the program outcomes, and the student learning outcomes that are specific to this course. You will see on the course calendar that each of the assignments and or activities can be linked to one of these learning outcomes. Again, this is a writing intensive course, and to meet the requirements for a writing intensive course, a student should expect to write a minimum of 5,000 words or approximately 20 typed pages through a mix of formal and informal writing exercises. So you will see that we are going to do quite a bit of writing this term. Please do take some time to review the student expectations. I would encourage you to reach out if you have any questions or if you're having problems meeting a deadline. Please do take some time to review those policies that are likely familiar to you from across other syllabi, including the ADA policy, the artificial intelligence, and the academic honesty policy. When we look at the evaluation methods, there are a number of assignments across the course. One component of this course includes a statistics component. So you will have several statistics quizzes to complete this term. The maximum number of points that can be earned across all those quizzes is 20 points. There will be an APA assignment that is due, a short APA assignment. It consists of 16 questions worth a total of 8 points. A plagiarism tutorial with an accompanying assignment or post-test. Successful completion of that post-test, you will earn a certificate. The final paper for this course is broken down into a couple of different elements that you will submit throughout the term. This process writing allows you to receive feedback and then to respond to that feedback so that you can integrate that and build on your writing for submission of your final paper. So you will see very early this term, you'll be asked to submit an introduction. The introduction will be focused on the clinical problem that you identified in Nursing 366. You will share more about the background, the significance. Now there is a video specific to this assignment in Brightspace. So I'm not sharing a lot right now, but there is specific information that details this assignment in Brightspace. But the introduction is the first writing assignment that is due. You will receive feedback on that. Next, you will submit a literature review. The literature review will include a minimum of 10 primary research articles that you integrate into a well-developed synthesis of information that addresses the clinical problem or research question. Now, there is also a video specific to this assignment in Brightspace. Now, you will receive feedback again on both of these assignments. You'll respond to that feedback, pull it together, add a conclusion, and then submit as a final paper. And that final paper is worth 30 points. Near the middle or end of this term, you will also be asked to complete a peer review of a paper. You will be assigned a peer. You will be provided with a rubric as well as a form to complete in order to grow your skills in the review and the analysis, the ability to provide constructive feedback. So you will be assigned a peer. There is information relative again to this assignment in Brightspace. There are 3 discussion threads across the course. We will see those in Module 1, Module 5, and Module 7. Each of those is worth 4 points for a maximum of 12 points. Now that we've had an opportunity to look at the syllabus, let's take some time to look at the course calendar. So let me pull that up for us. I just wanted to take a minute to show you the course calendar, to walk through that with you. When we look at the course calendar, you see that there are 7 modules. Now each of those modules is 1 week in length, with the exception of the module 7, which is 2 weeks in length. But what you should be working on each week can be found within the course calendar. So Module 1 or Week 1, you will see the readings available to you there, as well as any assignments that are due and any activities that you should be working toward completion on. So my recommendation is to review the course calendar closely, to place the respective due dates for the different assignments in your course calendar. You will find that the introduction is due the middle of that second week, as well as the APA quiz. As we move further down, the plagiarism tutorial is due 4/6. Now, these assignment due dates are not only listed on the course calendar, but are also available to you in Brightspace as well. Your literature review will be due April 13th, and we will end the course on 5/9 at 5 p.m. with the assignments, your final assignment being due May 4th. But do take some time to review the course calendar, and if you have any questions or if I can be of any assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you.